Tuqtuquilal is a regenerative center. Regenerative being starting with the earth, but also working with on a socially, cultural, environmental, economic level as well. Because regeneration means how we treat the earth and how she treats us, how we live in harmony. Because Tuqtuquilal in the Mayan Quechua language here in the region actually means harmony and peace. We're a holistic project. We've seen biodiversity come back to the land since its beginning. We see more birds here, we see more animals, and it's a space in which we can learn to live with that biodiversity. Tuqtuquilal is creating a space where you can pop the bubble, where you can live with spiders on the walls and scorpions crawling around, and you can also live with looking at beautiful birds every morning as you walk out, or just listening to them, or walking into the forest and seeing all the different native species and plants and animals, really immersing yourselves into not just a comfortable space, but finding a space within nature, which is uncomfortable. But if you learn to live within harmony with nature, then you start to see the beauty in all the challenges as well.
Well, ceremonial cacao or ceremonial grade cacao is going to be the cacao that has been fully recognized to the producers, that will bring like tranquility and sustainability to a household. These households are located very, very deep in the jungle, very, very hard to reach, like the road. So, when this happen, there's one day when we do the harvest that all the people is moving through the mountain in the very early in the morning. So all that effort that every farmer is making is charging the cacao as well. Like it's charging this cacao with subtle energy of human effort. The cacao comes to Tuqtuquilal, and the cacao is being treated more like a, not like just like a product, but like a live being. So we start a process of fermentation where we're going to be starting taking care of cacao like a baby. This is the last part that the cacao receives energy, and it's going to be when the women come here to receive the cacao to toast it. They peel it by hand, but it becomes like a center where every woman speak with each other. They find out like what is happening in their houses. They create community, and because all the energy that is involved in the cacao goes directly to your heart channel, you feel it when it's well worked. You can feel when it's not a well worked cacao by not feeling anything when you have a cup.
Tuqtuquilal essentially began as a solution to already existing challenges. The challenge of which it started was the challenge of a growing tourism that was an extractivist type of tourism that's only looking to sell alcohol and keep foreigners in a bubble in which doesn't trickle out into the community. And so there's many levels of challenges along with the economic challenge. Cacao has really been a huge support in building an economic opportunity for this project, and that's only been in the last couple of years.
For me, it's very important because it's giving opportunities to the most forgotten homes that exist. That will be the women that speak Mayan, that do not speak Spanish and didn't go to school. Here we are creating a change, and we are not doing it by changing their culture, but by holding their culture. So it's very important because it's creating something, recognizing the culture is being to create like this new way of doing what we call business right now, returning to our past and using the knowledge from the past to work our present and future. So in short, Tuqtuquilal is like to come in consentment and to resolve things with peace, harmony, and love.